In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Google Maps to your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign into your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site, and open the website where you want to add the map. Next, open a new browser tab and go to Google Maps. Search for the location you want to display on your website, then select it. Click Share, switch to the Embed a Map tab, and click Copy HTML to copy the embed code. Return to the Weebly editor and make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, find the embed code element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements to reveal the full list. Drag the embed code element to the section of your page where you want the map to appear. Click the element, choose Edit Custom HTML, and paste the Google Maps embed code you copied earlier. The interactive Google Map will now appear on your page. Adjust its position if needed, then save and publish your website so visitors can view the map. That's how to add Google Maps to your Weebly website. Thanks for watching.